Hey guys, so I already used the Anastasia eye primer. It's all over the lids. And I'm going to go ahead and use the Melt Cosmetics Rust Stack eyeshadow. It's a pretty cool eyeshadow. I have this for quite some time. Haven't used it in a while. It's magnetic, which is pretty cool. That way you don't lose your shadows when you're using them. I'm going to use the color Blur and just put it all over the lids. So I'm gonna put a piece of tape on under my eyelids because I want my shadow to be precise. And yes, don't come at me, guys. I know it's bad, but whatever. So I'm also gonna go ahead and use the ColourPop I Love Sahari palette to Through My Eyes. I love this palette so much. And yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap my brush into Wildfire, and you're gonna see I'm gonna be going all around it, and I'm going to start from the outer corner of my eyes, working it through to the middle. So once I'm done with this color Wildfire, I'm going to go back into the palette and use the color Euphoric. I might be butchering that name, but I'm trying. And I'm going to go and start from the inner corner to the outer corner. So you're going to see that right now and understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm placing the tape on the other side of my eyes, and we're going to go ahead and do the same as what I did to the left eye. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a brush and go into the color Moody. It's this green, dark green color here. I don't really know what look I'm going for. I'm just winging it, so if it doesn't come out great, I probably won't post this. But if you're watching this, that means it worked out for me. So I'm just going to go on the outer corner and just tap it in and then blend afterwards. And yeah, it looks actually a little darker than what I anticipated when I did put it on the lid. So I guess I was trying to see how far I can go with it. And then put some more if needed. You'll see throughout the video. And also, guys, don't mind my voice. I am a little sick. So if I sound a little bit down or weird, it's because I'm trying to put as much energy as I can into this audio. So I'm going to continue adding the color Moody on until my liking and keep blending and blending as much as I can. Then I'm going to go ahead and move to the other eye and do the same. So I didn't realize that I ended up not recording the rest of the part of applying the shadow and applying the color Emerald Dream, which is that green sparkly color that you see on the inner corner to the middle. So I'm sorry guys, I didn't record that. I don't know what happened. I do record on my phone, so I didn't realize it until then. So at the moment I'm just applying my Maybelline Stiletto liquid eyeliner in Black is Black. As per usual, I always make a wing liner with pretty much all my looks. It's kind of my go-to thing. Now as primer, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Benefit the Professional primer and just apply that on my cheeks where my pores are. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab the Fenty Beauty Soft Silk Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. I love this hydrating primer from Fenty. It smells so freaking good. And since I do have dry skin, this does definitely help. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my foundation, which is the NARS Stick Foundation, the color Fiji Light 5. It's a velvety matte foundation stick. It does look a little bit yellow tone, but when I do blend it, you're going to see it does match me. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my damp beauty blender and blend the foundation in. blending, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Tatcha, the Pearl Tinted Eye Illuminating Treatment in the color Moonlight. I actually love this so much. It does do what it says. It tightens up the under eye, it brightens it up, and it does help with my dark circles. I mean, you can't see it at the moment, but without makeup, I do use this with and without makeup, and it has helped my dark circles get a little bit lighter. But yeah, it's pretty much kind of like a concealer, but not a concealer at the same time, if you get what I mean. But overall, I love this product. Now, all you need is like a tiny amount of product to put under your eyelids, as you can see. And with my fingers, I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend it in, tap it in, I should say. Tap it in until my liking. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Cream Brulee. Guys, I love this concealer. I don't know what they use in this product, what they put in this product, but this is one of my top favorites. I think all my makeup looks, I should say, I always grab this one. This is just one of my favorites. I'm actually almost out of it. It's how much I use of it, but best thing ever. I love it. It's so creamy, it's so smooth, it blends in beautifully. I don't know what else to say besides I love it. Okay, so as you can see, I'm putting concealer on the side of my lips and under my nose because I usually get red there and I don't like that. So I noticed with this concealer, it doesn't get creasy or get clumpy or anything when I do try to cover those spots up. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the color Lavender. I'm only going to use this setting powder under my eyes because I like how it does brighten it up. The like tinted lavender color makes it brighter for me and I actually like it. But when it comes to setting the rest of my face where I concealed, I like using the Butter Fenty Beauty setting powder for the rest of my face. It's just my own preference. You don't need both. But I mean, it's Fenty Beauty. Who doesn't want both of their setting powders? They're freaking amazing. But yeah, like I said, it's just my preference. You don't need to do this step. Okay, now that I have my lashes on, I'm just going to touch up a little bit, as you'll see. And so far, I am loving how this look came out. I'm loving these lashes. These are definitely my go-to lashes. Now that my look is complete, this is how it turned out. I hope everyone likes it. I am in love with this look. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.